Good. And
Where are
you?
you from?
Sweden.
Oh, very nice country. Yes. Speak English.
Yes, I'm taking an Uber around Dhaka. This is my adventure in Dhaka, Bangladesh. This is my second day in Dhaka, Bangladesh. I'm going to a big shopping mall, the biggest shopping mall in South Asia. But first, I will show you what you get for 40 US dollars. I spent 40 US dollars on this hotel, Asia Hotel Resort. And I'm standing at the rooftop bar. And normally I don't spend that much on my night sleep. I spend way less. But here was a very good hotel for me. I was a little bit tired. I have been traveling for around 2 months. 1 month in Sri Lanka and maybe 3 weeks in India. So I was a little bit tired. That's why I choose to stay in a little bit fancier place. They have breakfast was included. This is where Moyo Cola, Coca-Cola. Ta-da! This is my fancy hotel room for 40 US dollars. Even the mineral water was included in the price. Every morning you get free mineral water, also free green tea. I really love tea. And normally, if you have followed me around the world, you know me that I normally stay in hostels or cheap hotel. So this was something else. It was amazing for me to stay in this one. But I choose to say a little bit fancier in Bangladesh because I did stay in hostels in India and Sri Lanka. So I was quite tired of the hostel life. So I wanted my own space and I wanted to be staying in a little bit fancier place. But here you have the gym, and I really needed to go to the gym at this time because I've been traveling around, so my back was quite stiff. After the workout, I needed to go and find something to eat. Then I hit the street of Dhaka and was looking for some food or some snacks. So this is the street of Dhaka, very close to the old town of Dhaka. But I found a mini market or supermarket or what you can call. So this is a typical supermarket in Dhaka. And after the supermarket, I will go to a typical cake shop in Dhaka. That was very popular to go to.
Brother, how are you?
Yeah, that one.
Okay. Two piece or one piece?
One piece and then
Chocolate and one piece or yeah?
Yeah, one piece.
Mint cherry one piece.
Yeah, perfect.
Right?
Yeah.
Oh, okay.
Yeah.
Hi. I'm from Bangladesh, Giant. My friend.
Yeah.
Tourist.
Yes. Thank you.
Yeah, welcome.
Andreas.
Please.
Yeah.
Please. ANDREASREACFLUM.
Yeah. Exactly.
Yes. Problem. Cake patay sir.
Thank you. Thank you.
Welcome.
Thank you. Welcome.
Fine.
I love the Bangladeshi people. But I found my cake and some snacks, and I'm going back to my hotel room. Actually, I found two pieces of cakes, and I will show you what I did buy. Some snacks, Coca-Cola. The only thing that was healthy was the tea, the green tea. was a good breakfast, and I went to a shopping mall, the biggest shopping mall in South Asia. And here you can buy everything, you name it. I was looking for some new t-shirts, so I went to the t-shirt shop. And here you have one blue t-shirt for $3, and you have this white one, Lacoste, for $6. But I choose to buy the blue one because white ones, when you're traveling, you can imagine is not that great. And of course I bought some underwear, Calvin Klein. And after my shopping spread, I was so hungry. So I went to the food court. And at the food court, you can buy a lot of typical Asian, a lot of Indian food, and Bangladeshi food, of course. This food cost me $6, around $6. Was water, one portion, and one fruit juice. Time to go back to my fancy hotel. So I booked an Uber, so I'm waiting for my Uber now and see all the friendly Bangladeshi people. A little bit curious what I'm doing, but here you have a black Uber. This is the end of the video. And in the next one, we will take a night ferry in Bangladesh to another city called Barisal. See you in that one. It will be a very cool experience. And you will meet a lot of locals. So, ciao!
ভালো ভালো
Oh.
ভালো আমার লোক
Oh.